So if it's your first time on the keyboard, you say, sir, what's the first thing I should do on the keyboard? Bros, what's the first thing somebody can learn with the keyboard? The first thing to know is how to play do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. That's the first thing. It's just like a language in music. You cannot speak English without ABCD.
Click subscribe
Cannot
now.
calculate mathematics without 1, 2, 3. And neither can you read music without sofa notations. Those do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, it's called sofa notations. And this is how you know them. The keyboard has a sound from beginning to end. So now, if you can understand this procedure, you can play from anywhere on your piano. Now, music has what is called tone and semitone. Tone and semitone. Anywhere you start. For instance, I want to start here now to play do, re, mi. Now, do to re is a tone. A tone is when you skip one note. Then a semitone is when you don't skip notes. So this is do now on key D. Then to mi, you need a tone. Then fa, you need a semitone. You see? So when you play mi here, fa is here. Then so, you need a tone. La, you need a tone. Ti, you need a tone. Do is a semitone. So semitone, you don't jump. Then tone, you jump. Let me do it and come back. Semitone. Tone. 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 Semitone. Tone. Tone. So you have tone, tone, semitone. Tone, 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 semitone. I use jump to make my students understand me. Do, jump. Re, jump. Mi, no jump. 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 No jump. So that's how you play. But on the keyboard, the key I usually teach people that is more easy and very versatile, very popular is F sharp. This key here. So if this is D, this is also D. This is also D. And another D in front. Even there is D below. So they are just the same. The difference is that the octave is increasing, the sound is going up. That's what is called octave. The higher it goes, the higher octave and the lower octave. So this is coming down and this is going up. Good. So now I want you to see this simple key, F sharp. Tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. You do it and come back. Semitone, tone, 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 semitone, tone, tone. You get it? Do you understand what I just did? If you don't get it, watch this place again. Take the video back and watch it again so you see what I did there. So now I want to show you how to back it. There is this note, power chord. And this one is so. And this is fa. And this is do. This is do and this is do. But you join two of them to get this power chord. You get it? Very good. So another thing you need to know, what makes this key very unique and simple. All of them are black keys. The only two white keys are these two white keys attached to the three notes. Those are the valid keys you should touch as a beginner and somebody who is being careful to play the right notes, not minor and not other invitation notes. This is the two valid keys you should touch, because this is do, this is ti, this is mi, this is fa. You get it? So do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. If I want to continue coming down from here, I still do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, ti. Have you seen that these are the two valid white keys? So this is very simple for you. There are other keys that are simple depending on who is teaching you, but this F sharp is very popular and is the most melodious. When you split your keyboard, it's from the center and the keyboard is half. You can do whatever you want to do with the left. You can do whatever you want to do with the right, as far as the keyboard is equal. That is the advantage of F sharp. Other keys might stop here, some might come front. So depending on who is playing and how you're playing it. So what you need to know now is how to combine this power chord, so and fa with the do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Now this is do. I back it with double do. Re. I backed it with so. Mi. I backed it with do. Fa. I backed it with fa. So. I backed it with do. La. I backed it with fa. Ti. I backed it with so. And then do, the upper do. I backed it with do. Watch me coming back now. Do you see what I just did now? These two fingers and these are the valid finger for the left. This is for so and this is for fa. This is F finger, fa. This is S finger, so. And these are D fingers, double do, the power chord. So watch me again one more time. So there is this do is backing do, mi, so, and do. And this is backing re and ti. And this is backing fa and la. Okay? So if you want to play the full chord, let me teach you the two chord first before the full one. This is the two. So and do. Ti and re. Do and mi. Re and fa. Mi and so. Fa and la. So and ti. So and do. Let me come back. Okay.